What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to withdraw from Bybit to bank account. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand the options on how to do this. First you need to open your Bybit app and we will be mentioning two ways in which you can do it. The first option is to transfer from your Bybit into another exchange of someone you know personally, and when you transfer the funds to the person you know, the person can send the converted funds in your currency to your bank account. But if you don't have that option handy, the other option we can take is to use P2P. In order to do this, we're going to go over to assets. Assets can be found at the bottom right of the screen. You're going to make sure that you have your funds in your funding account. And when you tap on funding, you're going to select the crypto you would like to withdraw from Bybit to your bank account. It is a good idea to convert any crypto you have into your USDT. You can simply do this by scrolling up and tapping on convert here. When you tap on convert, you can decide the crypto you would like to change to USDT by tapping on it and choosing what you want. And then you will be converting to USDT and then getting the quote and completing the conversion. Now say you have some USDT here, all you need to do is to tap on USDT. Now you have the option to tap on P2P trading or sell. Both of them will take you to P2P trading. So say we want to tap on sell, it's going to take you to your P2P trading page and you need to make sure that you're under sell. Currently it's under buy. We're going to tap on sell and you have your USDT here as a selected crypto. Select the amount you'd like to have so you can have a better filter according to how much you want to transact. Select the payment method by tapping on it and then choosing your bank. You also have the option of choosing the currency which you would like to receive the funds in your bank account by the buyer of your crypto. When this is done, the next thing you need to do is to search for any buyer who is eligible to purchase your USDT. So currently we have sell for these two buyers here. We're going to tap on it and here you can put the amount of USDT you'd like to sell. The next thing to do is to add a payment method. If you don't have a payment method, you will be prompted to add a payment method. After you've done that and selected the payment method, you will have the option to sell and then proceed for confirmation. Do take note that you need to make sure that you have the funds received in your bank account before releasing your crypto to the person. This will save you from losing any funds through any fraudulent transactions. Also take note that you're selling at the current price of 1.2 USDT according to the number of seconds left on the timer. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.